Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to rename your Trello workspace step by step. Whether you're organizing projects for work or personal use, having a workspace name that fits is key. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once the homepage loads, click the login button in the top right corner. Trello makes logging in easy. You can use Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or simply your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see your workspace name. Click on it to access more options. This will take you to your workspace overview where you can see all your projects, activities, and settings. Now, let's rename the workspace. Head to the Settings or Workspace Settings section. Look for a pencil icon next to the workspace name, or in some versions, a Rename Workspace button. Click whichever is available. A dialog box will appear where you can edit your workspace name. You'll also have the option to update the short name, which appears in the workspace URL. Type in your desired name carefully, making sure it reflects your team or project clearly. Once everything looks perfect, click Save. That's it. Your Trello workspace now has a brand new name, giving it a fresh, personalized look that better represents your work or team. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick guide made renaming your Trello workspace simple and stress-free. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.